Well, the kittens are now loose in the kitten room. I decided to try them a week early. They've only been out of the cage now for about 5 minutes. I'm just in the process of doing my morning kitten chores and cleaning out the cage and whatnot. And I just decided, you know what, they use the litter box and they're eating solid food. So I think it's time.
Yes, these are little babies, and they're busy exploring. They're quite busy babies.
They don't know where to go first. They're not used to quite this much freedom.
Yes. Are we under the cage? Yes, we are. We're exploring.
Oh, there's one of the platinum point kittens right there. That's little tripod that just went lickety-split around the corner. And there's two of the platinum mink males right here.
Hello, babies. Hello, babies. We're going under the choo-choo train. Yes. Oh, we're a cute little baby. We're cute little babies. We're curious about everything.
Say, we haven't had this much fun in forever.
Say, we can't believe all the room we have and toys to play on and furniture to climb.
Okay, that's little tripod, and the other little boy is back behind the train, the other little platinum point male.
And Mama's back here.
There goes tripod right there.
Get there, tripod. Hello. Hello there, babies. Hello there, babies.
Oh, now they're behind the train. Can't see anything.
There comes little tripod.
That's the bigger of the two platinum point males, I think. And Mama doesn't know what to think about this. She's a little bit distressed that her kittens are loose. She doesn't know which one to run and chase first, so she's a little bit uncomfortable with the kittens having this much freedom right now, but she'll adjust to it.
Yes. Say, we're having so much kitten fun.
Everybody's under the choo-choo train.
Hello, poo-poos.
Yeah, that's the bigger of the two platinum point males. And that's little tripod in the back here. It was his left rear leg that was affected at birth by his accident.
But he runs and jumps and plays with the best of them without any difficulty. Hi, kittens. What you guys doing? What you guys doing? You exploring?
Okay, we're getting close to, where are we? We're at about 3 minutes, or are we at 8 minutes? No, we're at 4 minutes now. I can let it run one more minute.
What, you trying to get your babies, Mama? You trying to get the babies? Oh, Mama. Mama's chasing her babies. Hello, baby kitten. You guys are just going crazy. Oops. You guys are just going crazy. Mama, be careful. Good grief.
Her tail's all bushy now. She scared herself.
Jasmine scared herself. Hello. Hello there, little kitten. Hello, little kitten. Which kitten are you? Oh, the little kitten, which one are you?
This is the bigger of the 2 platinum point males.
Got the bigger one.
Which means that that's tripod over there.
Hi, kittens.
Okay, we're going to say goodbye. We're over 5 minutes now. Say goodbye from the kitten room.